Topic this time is all about adding and subtracting mixed decimals and decimals. Alright, let us start with our first example. 3 and 52 hundredths plus 956 thousandths. 3 and 52 hundredths is an example of a mixed number. 3 is a whole number and 52 hundredths is a decimal. So when you say mixed decimal, combination or it is made up of a whole number and a decimal number. While 956 thousandths is a decimal number. Alright. Papaano mag-add? How do we add mixed decimal and decimal numbers? First thing to do is we are going to write the numbers, the addends in column. See to it that the decimal points are aligned. The same with the tens digit, 5 and 9 should be aligned. The hundredths digits and so on and so forth. Okay, the same also with the ones digit. Okay, let us start adding from the rightmost digit. Okay, we are going to add. Simply bring down 6. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. Write 4. Regroup 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Okay, then don't forget to write the decimal point in the sum or total. Okay, dito po dapat naka-column, naka-align, yung decimal point ng addends and then ng sum or total. So the sum or total is 4 and 476 thousandths. Alright, number 2. Let's proceed with number 2, second example. Okay, let us add 21 and 371 thousandths and 734 thousandths. So, unang gagawin, kailangan isusulat natin yung addends or yung given numbers in column. Okay, write the numbers in column. See to it that the decimal points are aligned, the tens digit, the hundredths digit, the thousandths digits, and so on. Pati na rin ang ones digit sa whole number. Okay, then add. Magsimulang mag-add sa rightmost digit. So 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 7 plus 3, that is equal to 10. Write 0, regroup 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Then 4 plus 7, that is equal to 11. Again, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 7 plus 3, that is equal to 10. So write 0, regroup 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Then 4 plus 7, that is equal to 11. So write 1, regroup 1. 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Then bring down 2. Okay. Then huwag kalimutan maglagay ng decimal point dito sa sum or total. Dapat naka-align siya doon sa addends. Okay. So the sum or total is 22 and 105 thousandths. Okay, number 3. Third example. Okay, 75 and 248 thousandths plus 96 hundredths. Unang gagawin, dapat naka-column yung addends. Okay, see to it that the decimal points are in column or aligned. The tens digit, ganun din. The hundredths digit, dapat naka-align and so on. Then, start adding at the rightmost digit. So, bring down 8. 4 plus 6, that is equal to 10. Write 0, regroup 1. 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. Plus 9, that is equal to 12. Right? 2, regroup 1. 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6. Bring down 7. And don't forget to write the decimal point here. Okay. So, ganun lang kadali. That's how easy we add mix decimals and decimal numbers. Okay. Next, let us proceed with subtraction of mixed decimals and decimals. Okay, let us start with number 1. First example. This time, we are going to subtract 524 thousandths from 3 and 765 thousandths. Okay, ganun pa rin yung gagawin natin, kagaya ng ginawa natin in adding this mixed decimals and decimals. Dapat, we are going to write the given numbers in column. See to it na naka-align ang decimal points. The same with the tenths digit, the hundredths digits, the thousandths digits, and so on. Then, start subtracting at the rightmost digit. So, 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 6 minus 2, that is equal to 4. 7 minus 5, that is equal to 2. 3 minus 0, that is equal to 3. And don't forget to write the decimal point here. So, dapat naka-column siya, naka-align. Okay, so the difference is 3 and 241 thousandths. Alright, number 2, let us proceed with the second example. Let's try this one. 9 and 87 hundredths minus 9,862 ten thousandths. Again, 989 and 9 and 87 hundredths minus 9,862 ten thousandths. So, ganun pa rin yung gagawin natin. Dapat naka-column yung numbers. Okay, see to it that the decimal points are aligned. The tenths digit, naka-align dapat. The hundredths digits dapat naka-align, and so on. Okay, and so on and so forth. Okay, let us start to subtract at the rightmost digit. So, since it is subtraction, and okay, walang digit po dito sa itaas ng 2 and 6. So, lalagyan natin siya ng 0. We're going to write 0. Okay, then 0 minus 2 is what? Okay, cannot be. So we cannot subtract 2 from 0. So we are going to regroup. So this 0 will become 10. And the next 0 at the left will become 9. And the whole number 7 will become 6. Okay, so 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. 9 minus 6, that is equal to 3. 6 minus 8 cannot be. So again, we are going to regroup. So 8 will become 7. Now, dagdagan natin ng 10 yung 6. So 10 plus 6, that is equal to 16. So 16 minus 8, that is equal to 8. Next, 7 minus 9 is equal to cannot be. So we cannot subtract 9 from 7. So again, we are going to regroup. So 9 will become 8. And we are going to add 10 to 7. So 10 plus 7, that is equal to 17. 17 minus 9, that is equal to 8. Okay, then 8 minus 0, that is equal to 8. Then don't forget to write decimal point here. Okay, naka-align dapat siya. So the answer, the difference is 8 and 8,838 ten thousandths. Okay, so next, last example, let's try number 3, 45 and 23 hundredths minus 951 thousandths. Okay, again, 45 and 23 hundredths minus 951 thousandths. Okay, first thing to do is we are going to write the numbers or the given in column. So 45 and 23 hundredths minus 951 thousandths. Next, subtract. So since walang digit dito, so lalagyan natin ito ng 0. Then 0 minus 1 cannot be. We cannot subtract 1 from 0. So we are going to regroup. So 3 will become 2 and 0 will become 10. Okay. So 10 minus 1, that is equal to 9. 2 minus 5 cannot be. We cannot subtract 5 from 2. So we are going to regroup. 2 will become 1. Then dagdag tayo ng 10 dito sa 2. That is 12. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. 12 minus 5, that is equal to 7. 1 minus 9 cannot be. We cannot subtract 9 from 1. So regroup tayo. 5 will become 4. And 1 plus 10, that is equal to 11. 11 minus 9, that is equal to 2. Then 4 minus 0, that is equal to 4. Then bring down 4. Okay, huwag kalimutan isulat or maglagay ng decimal point dito sa answer or sa difference. Okay, so the difference is 44 and 279 thousandths. 44 and 279 thousandths. Okay, so ganun lang po kadali. No? That's how easy we add and subtract mixed decimals and decimals. Okay, so I just hope na meron kayong natutunan sa videong ito. Maraming salamat sa panonood.